Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this problem, it is asked to draw a contour map of the function showing several level curves, right? So here fxy is given by y e to the power x equals to k, right? We are just assuming fxy as a k, right? So this is the level curves of the function given, right? So this gives the contour map showing several level curves, right? So the graph, this to graph this equation, we will solve for y, right? So y in terms of k will be what? We have supposed it that function fxy equals to y e to the power x equals to k. So in terms of y, we will just take e to the power x downwards. So this will make an equation y is equals to k e to the power minus x. Now, we will put all the values from, let us write k minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So, the values of y equals to k e to the power minus x are as follows. This will be y equals to minus 3 e to the power minus x, y equals to minus 2 e to the power minus x, and the third one is y equals to minus 1 e to the power minus x, and y equals to 0, and y equals to e to the power minus x, and y equals to 2 e to the power minus x, y equals to 3 e to the power minus x. So we know the graph for e to the power minus x. So this will be in this way, right? We have drawn here. So for different values of k, the areas, the level curves graph will be, contour will be like this, because we know the graph for e to the power x, right? So this will cut in this way. So let us write first. This is okay. So this is the curve, right? So how it is coming, let us see here. So here we are taking from values from here, right? So this is minus 3 here. So we can assume this curve as y equals to minus 3 e to the power minus x, right? And this second equation, this equation will be what? This curve will be showing y equals to nothing but equals to minus 2 e to the power minus x. Now this curve shows the equation y equals to e to the power, sorry, it is minus e to the power minus x here. All right, because this is minus, this is also minus 1, right? So that's why. Now if we talk about further, so this will be what? This curve will be showing y equals to, this is 3, all right? So this will be y equals to 3 e to the power minus x. Okay, so now this curve will be showing y equals to 2 e to the power minus x, and this curve is showing y equals to e to the power minus x, right? So this is how we solve this problem. I hope you understood the concept, and this is the final contour we are getting. So wasn't that easy? I hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching.